everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Chevy Blazer and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So for this chrome panel we only covered the outer layers of the chrome, not the inside. And also the size of the rim is size 18 for this specific vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the rim before we install the actual film. So remember, we're only cleaning the outer side of the rim. So you can use any cleaning solution that's safe to use for the wheel. Just remove any contaminants that the rim might have, and also make sure that there's no ceramic coating on the rim itself, and also remove any wax. If it does have any type of chemicals like those, the film won't stick to the panel and it'll just slide off. So you need to make sure that you have no type of chemicals on the actual panel itself. Okay, so before you start the installation, make sure you remove the protective layer that's on the actual film. So that layer that we remove is just so it protects the film when it's in transit and it doesn't scratch the actual film itself. So once you remove the protective layer, go ahead and start. So we're gonna start off with this panel first. So just make sure you align it right on the bottom. Make sure you're covering all of the chrome. Try not to stretch the film too much on this section because you need it to be aligned with the actual panel. So it should be like this. Once you place it, lay down the rest of the film and then just tuck in the inside to cover the top chrome section. Use your squeegee to tack down the film. Once you install the film, grab your heat gun and start applying heat. That will help tack down the film on the curved sections of the panel here. And then the same steps that we did for this piece, you would just rinse and repeat for the last remaining sections, and then we will move on to installing the last piece here. Okay, now we move on to the last piece. So for this one, same thing, remove the protective layer. And this one, just align it right in the middle between each one. And just make sure you're covering the chrome section. So just rinse and repeat for this one. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you align it, and that's pretty much it. And once you're done installing it all around, apply heat to pulse heat all around. So now that we finished installing the whole set, the last thing to do is just pulse heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on each piece activate faster and it doesn't lift over time. So just pulse heat all around. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete for the 2023 Chevy Blazer. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.